In this video, I'll be showing you how to import your shortcuts from other text expansion programs into TextBlaze. Head over to your TextBlaze dashboard, click on the Account Settings icon, Import Export, and then click on Import Snippets. Now, select the format of the data you want to import. Based on your choice, you may be asked to upload your exported file or copy-paste its contents into a pop-up window. In the case of a CSV file, you'll need to tell TextBlaze which columns correspond to which dataset. Next, TextBlaze will give you the opportunity to preview the data and verify that it's correct. Once you're happy with the data, click Import and your new snippets will be added to a new folder in your dashboard.